Hello everyone, here we go to understand how to do the QC under the MacDub recording portal. Okay, so here is the link of MacDub recording portal. You can simply uh, put any browser, the MacDub recording textlink.com. You can find this type of interface. So we will provide you ID and password. After that, you will put your ID inside, log into your account or your password. After that, you will simply click on the login button. When you clicking on the login button, you will see this type of interface. So in this interface, what we will do. So here is the please select coordinator. You will start from here. Okay. So once you click on the please select the coordinator, you will find any coordinator which we will provide to you to the work. So I simply click on the Santoshi Mahanand Raipur. After clicking, we will see the work which inside the Santoshi Mahanand. ठीक है, Mahananda. So here you can click to type click. So you can find ascending to descending order. Okay, so simply you have to see here is the files, here is the files, and here is the files as here's all these are the file for the work. And do not worry about the sign off button. This has happened as automatic. Okay, so simply you click on the speaker ID. This is the speaker IDs. I click on first speaker ID. After clicking the speaker ID, we will see the second interface, which is inside the speaker ID. Here is the work of speaker ID. Okay, the audios of speaker ID. So many audios he completed. So what we can do, we can QC of these audios. QC means we will check the quality of these audios, how he have recorded, whether he record good audio or record bad audio. So which audios are good we will accept, and which audios are bad we will reject, and we will understand which is good or which is bad by this in training video. So we will start from here. So simply you have to listen this reference file. Okay, I simply click on the reference file. This is the sample audio. Sample audio of which audios? These audios of sample audio. Okay, so sample audio, why we given the sample audio here? The sample audio shows what you listen and which one's voice you listen. The voice should be same with the main audios. Okay, that's why we are given this sample audio. Suppose here is the female is speaking and here is male is speaking, so both are the difference, na? Okay, so the sample is not matching with the main audios. We will discuss on that later. So after that you will see here is a female. If you find main audio is a male, so you can simply change with the male. Or if you find Hindi as a language and someone is speaking another language or which you will understand that language, so you can simply change the language on here and you can update. If both are the things are same, suppose the female or the language is same, so do not change anything. And if these are different than other, you can change and update that. So we will come on the main speaker audios. So here you can see this is the file of name of file. Okay, or here this is the image. If you click on the image, if you only touch the cursor on image name, you have to simply see see the image. If you click on second, you can see the second image. If you click on third, you can see the third image. So we can click on second one and simply we will play. We will click on the play button, not this is the pause and this is the play button. So do not confuse. If you click on the play, the audio will start to play. Or you can click on image. So the audio is saying, I think here's the bike, and people are moving here and there. I think this is the kind of government office. So these are the person is saying. Okay. after after the audio will complete, you will see this is the enable, but these button are enable for the accept or reject, or only those button will be enable which audio will play completely. Okay, this audio will play completely, that's why these buttons are enable. Okay, so simply what we can do, if the audio is good, we will accept and do nothing. If the audio is bad, we will go through some reasons and reject that. So reason for rejection, you can see if you click one click on that, you can find the list of rejections. First rejection reason is not audible. If the data is not, if the recorder not saying anything, if the recorder is silent and the data going to play continuously, okay, means nobody is saying anything, that's why not audible. The audio is not audible. Background noise, if the person is speaking, the main person is speaking, and the behind someone is speaking loudly or saying anything, and the child is crying and the child is chanting, or other disturbing background noises, you can simply click on the background noise. Okay. And the image and audio mismatch means what the image is showing and what the audio person is saying, both are different. Then you can click image and audio mismatch. Means if there is showing a rose flower and the speaker is saying, okay, this is the lotus flower, so both are the different thing, na? So you can simply image and audio mismatch. Speech is not natural means this time I am speaking, this is my natural language. Okay, I'm not creating any kind of language. I'm not creating I'm not saying a dramatic anything. Okay, so someone is speaking in a singing way or in a dramatic way, so simply you can reject. Or in another creating language, suppose she is making their noise other than natural noise, so you can simply reject that. Speech is not natural. Okay. Multiple speaker means if I am speaking and someone is speaking behind me or in front of me or inside and the other side of me, so there is a two speakers. Okay, maybe one audio, one speaker saying two sentence, other speaker they saying two sentence, so this is the multiple speaker. Or sometime it could be this be if 9 to 10 audio is speaking by another person, or other remaining audio is speaking by different person, so this is also a multiple speaker. Okay. Or multiple speaker, or maybe the same ID different voice. This could be the good I will come on that. So abusive language, you all know, if the someone is abusive, record abusive things, so you can reject simply. Not matching with sample means if the someone is speaking in the sample or not, no one is speaking inside that person is not speaking in the main audios, you can simply say same not matching with sample. Okay, same ID different voice. So simply if suppose 1 to 10 audio speaking by another person, or remaining audio speaking by another person, so means is in this ID there are two person or maybe 3 person who is speaking the same ID. So same ID different voice, this is the rejection region. Different ID same voice means if you worked on the last ID and you work on the current ID, if you find both voice are same, it means the different ID same voice. If you find this kind of problems, you can simply click on the different ID same voice. Okay, a voice below 20 age means we are not considering child voice. So if the person if the child is speaking in a speaker as a speaker, so you simply reject as a child below 20 age. So we are considering after 20 to 70 age group of person. So I think you will understand. After you will work, the data will be automatically hide from your speaker ID, or you can go simply after that. You once you work on this speaker ID, after completing, you will click on QC job, and again you can select your coordinator speaker. Again you can select your coordinator and start second I work with second ID. Okay, this is a simple way to understand and work on that. I think you will all understand this thing. So thank you so much.